YouTube, what's up? It's me again. So we are in a client's home theater right now, and basically our job was to connect everything up, make sure it's working, and give them the ability to control all of their equipment with just one remote. And we went ahead and did that. I'll just give you a tour of the theater room right quick. So actually a really nice theater room. Not too bad. It's Ben over there. Just chilling. Alright, so let me just give you guys a walkthrough of what we did. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see, but in here we have, can you give me some of your light? Trying to get some extra light so you guys can see exactly what we have going on. There we go. Alright, so what we have here is we have a Pioneer SC72 receiver, and we also have a Blu-ray box and a cable box, and down a little bit further we have down here in the corner an Apple TV. So basically we needed to connect all of that up and make sure that they are using just one remote so they can get rid of all their remote controls that is communicating, that allow them to communicate with all of their devices with just one remote. Okay, so what we had to do was we used a Control4 EA1 controller. That's the controller right there, and we connected that via IR. If you see the IR receivers here and another IR receiver here, we're communicating with the Apple TV over IP, so that doesn't need an IR receiver. And here's the Control4 remote. So here's the Control4 remote. So basically how it works is, all we have to do is, right now, let me power the room off so we start from the beginning. So when I hit power room off, if you notice what happened just now, I'm going to hold the remote up so you can see the remote as I move through, and you can see what's happening in the background. So if I say the user comes into the home theater and they say they want to watch Apple TV, for example, they just hit the watch button on the remote, and then they just choose Apple TV. That is going to power on the home theater. That also is going to power on the projector, and you'll be able to see, and it's going to switch the input to the Apple TV, and you're going to see the Apple TV show up on screen in a few minutes. Okay, there you go. And with the same remote, we're able to navigate the Apple TV just like using the Apple TV remote. So there's no need to switch remotes. Okay, so there's no need to switch remotes or anything. You can use the Apple TV. You can use the same Control4 remote for the entire time. You can use the same Control4 remote the entire time. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back over here so you guys can see what happened, and I'm going to say watch DVD. So what's going to happen is, right now my Blu-ray DVD is off. The moment I hit OK, it's going to power on the DVD, and it's going to switch inputs on the receiver, and you'll see the DVD will show up on screen. And the same thing will apply with the DVD. There'll be no need to switch remotes. You can takes a while, but it comes. There you go. And there'll be no need to switch remotes. You can use the same remote to control your DVD. And the same thing happens if I say watch cable TV. It switches the inputs from the receiver and goes over to cable TV. Now this one is a 5.1 surround sound, so it's not too many speakers here. It's just 3 in the front, 2 in the back kind of setup. Alright, now the cool thing is that if I hit the room off button, which is, where is it? I just want to see it. Come on, come on. There we go, the room off button here. If you look in the background, you'll see it turns off everything. And in a second you'll see the DVD player will go off. It's just blinking off now, and that'll turn off. Now the only thing that does not turn off is the Apple TV, which just goes back to the home screen, and then eventually it'll go to sleep. So there you have it, automating a home theater with one remote control using Control4. It's cool, right? So the only thing missing is a garbage bin for all your remotes. Just joking, don't throw away your remotes, you need them just in case. Alright, awesome stuff.